Turn loyalty points on or off. Set clients' loyalty points balance to pop up when checking out. Choose whether points can be used towards tax. Clients' balance will total on every receipt. If points can expire, set the expiry here. This area incentivizes earning more points. You can set different levels that multiply points earned. There are 4-point accumulation options. Clients earn a separate amount of points dependent on how much is spent on products and services. Clients earn points based on their invoice subtotal. Clients earn a specific amount of points per service, product, etc. Clients earn a set amount of points after a spend level is reached. Bonus point rewards can be specified here, optionally. You can assign bonus points in the client's invoice. Choose how points are redeemed by the client here. If you'd like to have a point earning promotion, you can set rules and frequency here.